Hey there guys, Zach here from In Beta, and welcome back to another Windows 8.1 video. We have another leak on our hands. This is Windows 8.1 build 9385. We can show you that in the WinVer here, if we launch winver.exe. Apparently Internet Explorer has stopped working. I didn't even have it running, but hey, there you go. So yeah, this is build 9385, 32-bit, compiled on the 15th of April. Not many new things in this build apart from the things I'm going to walk through now. So the first thing here is the Movie Moments app has a new sort of icon. Launching it, it's actually different. Still got the disclaimer up here, but the actual home of the app looks different. It doesn't seem to be working. So that's always good. Can I close? I can't close. Can I tab out? I can. Why has that crashed? It's confusing. My phone's close that. Try and reopen it. That's not the app that I wanted to launch. And I can't close that one either. It appears I'm having some issues here with this new build. Let's try and launch Movie Moments again. There we go. So down there it says trim it, say it and share it. You can get your video down to your favourite 60 seconds, make Movie Moments even more memorable with captions, and add the finishing touches. I don't actually have any videos on here, so I can't actually use this. But it's just I think it might be the replacement for Movie Maker. Right, moving on, the Alarms app doesn't look to have changed that much. However, you can add alarms. And we can actually, I think we can edit them. Can we edit them? We can edit them. So what is the time on this system? It is, that's not what I wanted. 3:30. So if we do 3:30 alarm. Do we get to test the alarm sounds? No idea. Let's save it as 1. Actually, I might have missed a setting here. Hang on, let me just... Oh, there you go, it's working. So it says good morning at 3:30 in the afternoon. So you can either snooze it or dismiss it. If you snooze it, I assume it will last 5 minutes. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is the actual alarm. So if I turn it up. There's 4 different alarms so far, and that's just one of them. So we can dismiss it, and that will go away. The calculator app doesn't seem to have changed again. Neither does the sound recorder app. We can still just record normally things. So, hello, this is the sound recorder. Pause that, and that will save. What else is new in this build? The camera app seems to have a new color. That seems to be the same color as Internet Explorer. Didn't notice that till just now. If I try that in... Actually, I can't because I don't have the camera app on my actual Windows 8 install. The Files app, not sure if it's changed. It looks the same. If we just go into my documents, we can see here. Yeah, it's still exactly the same. It's not. I'm not entirely sure if this app will be in the RTM version of Windows 8.1. There's been rumours that it's just for the employees. I have no idea about that. We'll have to wait and see when the preview launches in June. Now, the PC settings app is better, as you might say. It seems to be working more fluently and bugs have been fixed. I'm not entirely sure if the search thing's working. Actually, if we search for SkyDrive, it doesn't seem to work. If we search for slideshow, it's still not working. No idea why that's there. It should be working. I do just say this in every single leaked build that we do. Not much has changed here, except you can add an alarm to the start screen. However, this isn't working right now. It's not hooking up to the System Alarms app, so I don't know why. You can also do this is per usual, and add more apps to the lock screen. Nothing's really changed here. Users, kiosk mode has been given a new name. It's now called Assigned Access, and gives a better insight on what Assigned Access actually does. You can tap the home button the Windows key 5 times to sign out of kiosk Assigned Access mode. So if we try and add a user here, we might be able to demo this feature. However, I don't think it's working, so let's not do that for now. SkyDrive, these seem to be the same. Files, yeah, everything here is the same. And the PC settings app has crashed. So this build doesn't seem to be very stable in VMware. However, apparently some people have said it's absolutely fine on real hardware. However, I don't recommend you install leaked builds on real hardware, as they could fry your system, as they did with one of my old laptops. So this seems to be showing up better now. So does app sizes. Yeah, the animation seems to be a bit funky still here, but they seem to be displaying correctly this time. Search is still the same. Share is still the same. Switching still the same, and defaults still fairly broken. I don't know. This doesn't look Metro-ish to me. I think they still need to edit this. So that's still a bit broken. Privacy, nothing's really changed here. Everything's still under construction in some of the things. Also the home bit's under construction still. No idea why. This seems to be the same. No changes here. Network, again, no changes. This has been the same since one of the earlier leaked builds. Time and language, you can add languages now. So we can add a language, and we've got loads here. Look, we can add. Let's see one I can actually pronounce. Kiswahili. I apologise to any language that I mispronounce. You know, this may be difficult for me. So let's see if we can find an actual nice. I'm not actually going to change the Filipino. There you go. That's what I can pronounce. Typing seems to be all the same. Back, ease of access. Everything here is still pretty much the same. You can change pointer sizes and stuff. Update recovery. Update seems to be all the same here. It's file history still under construction, and you've also got this switch to Windows 8 version of modern settings. I'm not entirely sure if this option will be here in the RTM version or even the preview version of Windows 8.1, because I think it's just for employees again to quickly switch between the two. The camera app, as I did say, has a different colour, but there's also send feedback here now, so you can actually send feedback. The UI has also changed, but as I don't have a camera, I can't actually demo that to you. Let's actually see if we can send. Oh, that was cool. So it opened up in a split screen sort of, Metro Snap, instead of just switching to the app full screen like that. Pretty cool. And I think that's about it for Windows 8.1 build 9385. Customize is still pretty similar, so this is start, and then you've got starts down there. And so yeah, that's literally about it. Also, I'm not entirely sure if this is a new pattern, the one I've got enabled here. It might be, it might not be. I don't actually think it is. I think I've actually seen these all before. So that's a shame. Also, there's still a million colours to choose from, so we can have that colour. What an awful colour I just chose. That colour, that's better. And then we've got that colour for the start orb and other stuff. Still no sign of a start button or boot to desktop option, even though that was rumoured to be making an appearance in Windows 8.1 sometime soon. Whenever that happens, no idea. You can still sort apps by name, data stored and most used. So yeah, that's about it for Windows 8.1 build 9385. If I missed anything, there may be an updated description below. If not, then I'm sure the internet has your answers. Thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.